Hey guys, so in today's video we're gonna talk about how you can basically enable or disable plugins in your Google Chrome. So it's gonna be a very short tutorial but very easy to understand and very useful. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go in the upper right corner and you're gonna click on the three dots right here. Left click on that. After that, go down and in the second from the bottom, you're gonna see the settings tab. Click on that and you're gonna get to this tab right here. In the left side of the screen, you're gonna find or you're gonna search for basically privacy and security. Left click on that and after that scroll down and we are searching for site settings. So control what information sites can use and show, location, camera, pop-ups and more. Left click on that and after we left click it, you can basically in the content menu, you can basically disable third-party cookies, you can disable JavaScript, you can also disable images or pop-ups and redirects. So don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. So additional content settings, you can also basically disable sound, you can disable intrusive ads, also insecure content, or you can disable V8 optimizer, a lot of things. So let's say we want to disable the third party cookies. You're gonna click on that. You're just gonna click on block third party cookies. So just click on that and basically sites can use cookies to improve your, but it doesn't matter, we blocked it and that's it basically. After that you're not gonna get any like cookies from sites or basically any cookies that are third party. So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and I hope I helped you. Bye.